I mean, his bikes are made to ride and ride fast. So Jay, what do you think about my like my wassail?
Yeah, I like it.
I bought this from Billy.
Okay.
Cuddy's friend.
Oh, there's a whole bunch of Billy, man.
Billy the painter.
Yeah, he's nice.
Billy
man.
Cruel.
Yeah.
Is his name. And so I wanted to kind of like a little bung here, to sort of not level, of course, but kind of go with the line of the bike a little better.
Just like 1/8 inch.
Instead of just on there.
1/8 inch of gap.
Yeah, maybe.
All right.
Just to bring it up
Mm-hmm.
a little bit.
To make the bottom of the tank level.
Yeah, to bring it up a little bit.
Hey. Don't, you know.
I'm just saying. Rust right there.
Yeah. Just leave it alone, you know. Leaking is not a big issue right now. She said not yet.